Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to download and install Pencil2D on Windows 10. Open your browser and search for Pencil2D or directly visit pencil2d.org. The official website provides information about software and its update. Click on Download button in the menu bar. Choose the appropriate version for your system. For Windows 10, select Windows 7 and then either 64-byte or 32-byte based on your system specifications. Initial download and wait for the file to be downloaded. Once completed, locate the downloaded file, which is usually in Downloads directory. Uncompressed folder containing the Pencil2D software. Navigate to extracted folder and find the Pencil2D application. Since it's portable version, you don't need to install it. Double-click to launch the program. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and launched Pencil2D on your Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.